Today we're going to use the shine effect to make everything shine. So let's start with something simple. Here I have DaVinci logo and I'm gonna add a glow node. Then add a rectangle and we're gonna use this rectangle as a mask. So connect the output with the blue input of the glow node. Then make a shape something similar to this and make sure the corners cover the whole image. Then we're gonna animate this rectangle. So at the beginning take it all the way to the top, add a keyframe, then go further in time and take it all the way down. Now if you notice the rectangle has sharp edges, which you can easily solve by increasing the soft edge. Now finally you can play with the glow slider and your animation is done. Now let's go into the hard mode. So I have this PNG of this random person. Now I'm gonna add a transform node and scale him up to get a better look. And then we're gonna add our glow node. Then as usual, add a rectangle, connect with the blue input and resize it and place it at the static position. Then add the first keyframe, move further in time and then change the position. Now we need to hide the areas where we don't want to be shiny. So take the output of the transform node and connect after the glow node. So it will create a merge node, which basically means it plays the same image top of the glow node. Now we need a polygon node and then roughly select the head area. Then connect the polygon output with the merge blue input and it will mask the head, but it's inverted. So select the polygon, check the invert box and it will invert your mask. Now here you can see we have very sharp edges, which we can easily fix by increasing the soft edge. Now all we have left to do to increase the soft edge of the rectangle and play with the glow slider. Now I'm gonna add a little final touch up. This is the start tweaking green screen video. I'm gonna place it top of my clip, then remove the green screen and then position it top of the head. And we're done.